Hey, I just got this really nice pocket knife here, and I wanted to share some of the features of it. This one here is made by AUBEY. Actually comes in this really cool, nice little case here. Just unzip it. Can keep it nice and secure and clean when not using it. This is what it looks like. It's got a quick little open here. The way you open is you just take your finger here, flip it open, very quick. There's a nice grooves for your fingers, feels very nice in the hand. Now you may notice the cool design on this. This is actually made out of Damascus steel, which is a very hard and very super sharp steel. So the blade on this is going to be extremely sharp. Check out that design, you can't beat that. This keeps it secure into place. To close it, you slide that over, and then it easily shuts. It clips on, and it actually has a very nice secure clip, so it's not going to come off very easily, but you can get it off if you're actually meaning to. There's these little leather tassels here, which actually can allow you to pull that off real quick when needed. All right, I'm going to give a little demonstration of how well it cuts. I have this braided cord here. That's how easy. And just again to show you exactly just how sharp this knife here is, gonna cut through this thicker cardboard here. Cut right through it. Look at that edge on that. So if you're considering getting a new pocket knife, you're checking this one out from AUBEY. It has a quick open. I like the awesome look to the blade. Really like this one. It's top notch.